Hello, Connie Brower here, coming to you from Nova Scotia. I would like to talk to you about the problem in the Canadian judicial system and the problem with lack of lawyers. My husband and I are self-represented litigants, and we have noticed in the last 20 years that it's very difficult to find a lawyer. The lawyers have priced themselves out of the market. They cater to corporations and government, and there is very little left over for the individual. The problem in the judicial system is that everything has to go to court. You have to file endless motions and applications. It takes a long time, even though they've tried to make it a little faster and a little easier with interactive forms for the self-litigant and for lawyers. It is still a cumbersome field to navigate. Also, there is not enough information on the internet that tells you how to handle a court case. There is only the appeals court cases, court orders are on the net, and not even all the appeals. So I think it appears that it's just up to the judge if he wants to submit his court order to the net or not, which is a database that is used for case law. Now, you can't have case law if there is no case law. So this is very difficult. Family court and criminal court do not have the court orders go up to the decision database. Criminal courts don't even write a decision, so you can't even appeal them. This is a system that is exclusively run by judges, and there is no way for the ordinary citizen to have any accountability from anyone in there. And they don't even write the court orders. And the court orders, every judge makes up his own mind arbitrarily and doesn't even follow the civil procedure rules. So it really is a minefield. So I'm calling for a change, a drastic change in the judicial environment and the legal environment. I think it's time that this industry started practicing a system of excellence for the individual. We need lawyers, and we need them affordable and not hundreds of thousands of dollars or $50,000 or $20,000 or even $10,000. We need an affordable lawyer that offers no frills service. We need lawyers law firms that focus on Charter of Rights. There is not one single lawyer or law firm in Canada that will uphold the Charter of Rights, which is every single person's right to have their Charter of Rights upheld. And there's not one. It's the biggest joke and the biggest scam in this country that we claim we have Charter of Rights. Here's my book that I always keep on the desk. It's very earmarked. It's falling apart actually, but I keep it here right by my desk, so I have it all the time. But what good is it? What good is the Charter of Rights when no court and no judge will uphold the Charter of Rights, such as free speech? Free speech is a charter rights under Section 2, and it's not upheld. So I'm calling on the judicial system, the legal system, and the unemployed lawyers of the United States to come to Canada and practice here for the betterment of the citizens, for the individuals. We need these 50,000 unemployed lawyers in the States. And I have a link to the website that proves these lawyers are graduating and they're going to be unemployed. Well, don't sit around in New York and California where they have the greatest unemployment. For lawyers, come to Canada, come to Nova Scotia where we are, set up a one-stop shopping system here. And what I am advocating is that we do things by mediation. If we can stay out of the courts, so much the better. Let's do things by mediation and solve these problems amongst ourselves so that we don't have to go to court and pay huge fees and have somebody else tell us what to do. That is slavery. When you have someone else telling you what to do in your life, that is slavery. And that is unacceptable as a Canadian. So come to my website, occupythecourts.ca, and please sign up, become a lawyer, learn the law, invest in this country, and come and see what you can do to improve the situation. Don't try to compete with the corporate lawyers because you won't be able to, but work for the individuals. I'd like to see that, and I welcome you. Thank you.